are embarking on a new journey to bring you intelligence that understands you.
So finally, Apple calls it Apple Intelligence, the AI, which fixes technical sessions, live forums, consultations, and then questions and answers. And here, it can also create and summarize your notes and your workload for you, making it easy for you to be able to do your work. And again, it can create a photo of your friend and send a birthday picture.
It can understand who my daughter is, the play details she sent several days ago, the time and location for my meeting, and predicted traffic between my office and the theater.
Create an event for a hike there tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Hike is scheduled for 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. on June 11th.
Now when you press your Siri button, you're going to see this glowing light that wraps around your screen and then brings out what exactly you're trying to say. And then you tell Siri what you want to say. And you want to add some contacts also, you can just tell them the name and it just does it. You can edit your photos with Siri, and you can also add a bio with Siri. Genmoji, which is able to allow you to say whatever you want to do. And when you draw something, it brings out the real time. Also in photos, you can edit your photos with Siri now. With the AI intelligence, you can clean up the background and then set it up clean for you the way you want it. So this new update is a big update, I tell you. It can also record your audio and your call with the person known. And now Siri integrates ChatGPT. With this new iOS 18, I just feel Apple killed it. Subscribe to my channel and come back for more.